Crochet doily patches are perfect for turning your well-worn jeans into the cool grandma crochet trend. Just grab a bottle of Aleene's Fabric Fusion and some doilies to rock your own no-sew crochet jeans. Here's what you'll need: Aleene's Fabric Fusion, a pair of denim jeans, crochet doilies, waxed paper, and straight pins. Before you begin, pre-wash the jeans and doilies without fabric softener to remove any sizing, and check to see if the crochet doilies are the right size for the holes in the jeans. Cut wax paper and place it through the hole in the jeans to prevent the Aleene's Fabric Fusion from getting on the back of the jeans. Place a crochet doily into the hole, being sure that the doily is centered and laying flat inside the jeans. Now pin all the layers together 1 inch from the frayed edges of the hole, keeping the layers nice and flat. Customize the bottle of Aleene's Fabric Fusion by cutting the tip at a slant for a flat, even coat of adhesive on the fabric. Pull back the edges of the denim and apply an even coat of Aleene's Fabric Fusion all the way around, using the tip to spread an even coat of adhesive. Press the denim edges to the doily with your fingers to ensure the adhesive is creating a permanent bond. Repeat the process for adhering crochet doilies to all the holes in your jeans. Keep the jeans flat and let them completely dry. The jeans will be washable after 48 hours. Remove all the pins and the wax paper, and now they're ready to wear. Who knew you could join the cool crochet trend with a few doilies and Aleene's Fabric Fusion?